Welcome to our YouTube video on quenching. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and simple explanation of what quenching means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Quenching is a heat treatment process in which a material, usually metal, is heated to a high temperature and then rapidly cooled, often in water, oil, or air, to increase its hardness and strength. Think of quenching like taking hot metal and plunging it into cold water. It cools down quickly and becomes much harder, just like cooling hot glass too fast makes it brittle. So, why is it so important to understand what quenching is? Because quenching is essential for improving the mechanical properties of metals, making them stronger, more wear-resistant, and durable. It ensures that tools, machine parts, and structural components can handle tough working conditions. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.